मिस्टर एम नाथ, गुड मॉर्निंग। इज दैट सुमन वर्मा? जी हाँ, मगर हेलो सुमी। I can become an actor. What's it? What's it? So today I have come to New Delhi World Book Fair, as you can see here. So today is the opening day, which is 10th of January 2026. So let us explore together this Delhi's book fair. पता है सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग बात क्या है बुक फेयर की? दिल्ली बुक फेयर इज इंडियाज सेकंड ओल्डेस्ट बुक फेयर। और आप गेस कर सकते हैं फर्स्ट वन कौन सा होगा? कोलकाता। So first one is Kolkata's book fair and second one is Delhi's oldest book fair. Well, I was reading about book fair. मुझे क्या पता चला कि जो पहला बुक फेयर लगा था दिल्ली में दैट वाज 1972. ओके, सो पहला आपका हो गया दिल्ली का बुक फेयर एंड सेकंड हो गया आपका कोलकाता का। एंड दिस इज व्हाई इट अट्रैक्ट्स अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, अ लॉट ऑफ पब्लिक ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड हियर। और यहाँ पे भी आप देखोगे आई थिंक मोर देन 35 कंट्रीज के जो पवेलियंस है वो यहाँ पे लगे हैं। मेरे लिए हमेशा इंटरेस्टिंग रहा है बुक फेयर में आना बिकॉज मैं बचपन से यहाँ पे आ रही हूँ। माई फादर, आई रिमेंबर माई फादर ऑलवेज टेकिंग मी एंड माई ब्रदर टू द रीडिंग सेक्शन, मेकिंग अस रीड बुक्स, मेकिंग अस बाय कलर्स एंड ड्राइंग्स एंड एवरीथिंग। So I think बचपन से it has become a habit for all of us to read and explore different section of the book. Now that life has just taken me to a long journey of reading. Like I have been doing reading, I've done my bachelor's, master, and now this is a doctorate also. And I think I feel very thankful to be here once again. और आई थिंक मैं ये वाला बुक फेयर जो है 23 के बाद अटेंड कर रही हूँ। 23 आई केम फ्रॉम माई ऑफिस IGNC एंड दिस टाइम आई एम कमिंग हियर. So let us explore New Delhi World Book Fair. If you want to come here, today is the opening day. This is 10th of January and it's a 9-day long book fair festival from 10 to 18 January, 11 to 8 p.m. You can come to Bharat Mandapam. So let us explore what's all inside and what's new this time. Let's come. Okay. So I like this children wala section. This is something. Let me just have a video here. So this is a selfie section. This is a selfie section. I always prefer that I'm a kid, and as a kid, I think I will keep on making these stuff, and I love these children section. So hello. At my back, you can see there is some sort of military section here. You know why? Because इस बार का जो थीम है आपका वर्ल्ड बुक फेयर का, दिल्ली बुक फेयर का, it is something related to Indian military, which is what I have read. I too am waiting to be in line because I also love Indian military. Let us enter here. I feel really excited क्योंकि मुझे लेजिट अपने बचपन की याद आ गई है। लेजिट मुझे अपने बचपन की याद आ गई है गाइस। Kids Express. I think every book fair, be it Jaipur Literary Fest, Delhi Book Fair, Kolkata Book Fair, I think it's heaven for literature people. And I think even if you are not into reading books, if you are not from literature background, and if you just love to explore folklore, storytelling, mangas, comics, you can come here. This is what I witnessed. बच्चों के लिए मुझे लगता है कि सबसे बेस्ट चीज़ जो आज के टाइम पे वो है बुक्स को पढ़ाना। जितना आप अपने बच्चों को रीडिंग की हैबिट उनके अंदर इनकलकेट करेंगे उतना ज़्यादा उनकी कम्युनिकेशन बेटर होगी, रीडिंग फोकस एंड आई थिंक पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट। आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ लैंग्वेज लर्निंग. They are toddlers, even if they are infants, they should come here so that they can have some sort of interesting exposure to this literary world of books and writing. So this seems like a Doraemon's door to me. It's very colorful and lively. So we don't have kids right now who can accompany us, but हम भी कोई बच्चे से कम है क्या यार? Let's come and explore the section. So वहाँ पर जो मेरी कारीगर बना रहे थे
था कपड़ा सब खराब हो गया, सब स्पॉटेड हो गया, बचाएंगे अपने आप को।
So this is some sort of storytelling session, and they have two types of dolls, wooden and terracotta. You can bring your child here, and they can pretty much write any story they wish to write here. And they have also taken really good seeing children, you know, writing and drawing. I mean, I love everything they are doing apart from mobile screen. I mean, this is one thing they should be encouraged. They should be given pages, colors. You know, they should be told different stories making. So I mean, children will love it. I mean, they can actually, you know, spend a lot of time here. पेंटिंग कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, कलर बना रहे हैं, यहाँ के पास मम्मी पापा भी लग गए. वाओ, लव इट. आई मीन, यू कैन आल्सो So this seems to be a heaven, and you know, choose different body parts alpha this particular stall here. So this is little genius. Come and check this. Loving this particular stall here. This is for origami paper art. You can check different little objects being, you know, handicrafted with origami papers. You can buy again here. So these are different. This is a blank comic book for kids. तो भाई इसके अंदर बने हैं सेक्शन, एंड इफ योर चिल्ड्रन आर इनटू मेकिंग caricatures, you know, so they can actually make something here, develop their own story and write dialogue. The Jungle Book. Jungle बात चली है, पता चला है. I'm sure you all have watched this movie, you all have heard this movie. So yes. ये तो मैंने ग्रेजुएशन में पढ़ने मैंने मतलब रट लिया रिलेशनशिप. This is the script for the movie Kirti. Mr. M. Nath, good morning. Is that Suman Verma? जी हाँ, मगर hello Suman. I can become an actor. What's it? Uff Manu.
So that's all folks for this video. I'm sure you have loved my vlog on book fair. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I'll be coming up with more such videos. Till then, bye bye.